इस कार्यक्रम के प्रसारण पुण्यार्जक हैं वृत्ति श्राविका श्रीमती रत्नमाला जैन एवं उनके सुपुत्र श्रीमान आदर्श जैन की पुण्य स्मृति में श्रीमती रेखा जैन, निशांत जैन, रोहित जैन, सुरभि जैन, तुषार जैन, शिल्पी जैन, अर्णव जैन एवं आरव जैन।
तीर्थंकर शांतिनाथ भगवान रेजुलिनेश परम पूज्य तपस सम्राटाच्या सन्मती साग्याजी महाराज, his पट्ट शिष्य से 8 disciple परम Acharya Gurudev Sulinesaji Maharaj. I want to go these all lotus feet and I want to start Vayana Saro. One side Pavayana Saro, the great Acharya Kund Kund Pavayana Saro Parvachan Sar, and the next one Vayana Saro. Today's great Acharya Param Pujya Acharya Bhagwan Sulinesaji Maharaj. Whatever he got in his life, he put all those nectar in these words of Vayana Saro. This is not a simple word. It's not a simple word. Like a person who is illiterate, in Hindi, Kala Akshar Bhens Barabar. Like a person who is illiterate, for that person, there is no meaning, no value of this, any language, any word. Because illiterate, now he can't read it. Just he can see it, but he can't read it. He can't understand it. He can't live that life. So that thing, like this way, but the person who is literate, very precious. Oh, this is the meaning of this thing. Then you will plan how to implement it. So if that thing is entering in your mind, surely it will enter in your heart. And after some time, surely it will enter in your soul. You will implement on those things. Without implementing, without touching the soul core of heart, everything is useless. And this 9th stanza of ends, Acharya wrote, Nanene antaram suddham, nanena kajje koshalam, nanena jivanam brahmam, nanena santinim mala, nanene santinim mala, nanene santinim mala. Nane means right knowledge. Nan means gyan. What is gyan? What is knowledge? Right now, what is not right knowledge? If belief is right, then knowledge will be right. What is the belief? Right belief? Dev Guru Shast. If you are going in front of God, if you believe for God, if you believe for holy books, scripture, whatever it told, that is Agam, that is Shast, that is holy books. You believe in holy scripture, holy books. The third thing, you believe in Digambar Muni, naked monk, Jain Muni. That is Samyak Darshan. And the person attaining this, like this much belief in his life, surely he is Samyak Jnani. The person who has right knowledge. The person, Nanin Antaram Suddham, that knowledge can purify of your soul. Surely there is a way. So many purifiers are there in your house to purify water. So many purifiers are available in market. So by help of those purifiers, you can purify the water. And by the help of these words, right knowledge, you can purify your soul. There's a way. Firstly, you have to know there's some impurities there in my soul. Okay. There is other aspect point of view there. Up Suddha Nishchay ne. Acharya Kunda in Samay Sara he wrote that there is no impurity in soul. Every time, whether this soul is in Narak or Swarga or on earth, wherever this soul is there, in any human being or any insect, any body, every time soul is different from the body. Soul is different from karmas, karmic bondage. But the other perspective is there, Sayyam. Why? Why is the need of Sayyam in Paryay? In Paryay, in so many modes and forms are there of soul, which are not pure. So to purification, to purify that thing, Sayyam is there. Sayyam means renunciation, Sayyam means penance. So just I'm telling not about pronounce and renunciation. I'm telling about knowledge. Knowledge is different and pronounce is different. Both are so different things. But it is a fact. If any lady is pregnant, maybe in 1 month, other in second month, maybe you can't judge and guess and know after seeing that lady that says she will give birth to a child in near future. But after 3 months, 4 months, surely anybody can judge, oh, my daughter-in-law, my son-in-law, oh, that's good news. That's good news. So sure, challenge, initial stage of renunciation, initial stage of belief, initial stage of samyak darshana, maybe nobody can judge. Even you can't judge that I am the samyak drishti jiva. But after some time, when it will born and brought up, it will well after some time, when it will get maturity, that shraddha, that dedication, that devotion, when it will mature, surely you will know, and other person will know that you have right knowledge, you have right belief in your mind, in your heart. That is the way. Without the right knowledge, you can't verify your soul. Or just not only soul, but I'm telling cleansing of your mind. If there's so many dirt in your mind, you can't go ahead and materialistic life also. You can't get money, name, fame in this all things. If mind is pure, thought is pure. If there is no negative thought in your mind, surely any intention, whether it is spiritual or it is otherwise materialistic, you can get both goals in your life. Rajashi wrote Nanir Antaram Saddam. Then he's telling Nanir Kajjakoshalam. Nanir Kajjakoshalam. Kajjakoshalam means any work, whatever you're doing, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, you can get perfection in that work. You can get mastery in that work by help of knowledge. That is the power of knowledge. Before so many years, when I was Brahmachari, when I was in Ahmedabad, when I was with Jain Muni Tarun Sagarji Maharaj. So at that time, one person showed me a Archie Gallery card. There was a picture was there. One very dangerous dog was there. So danger, very, very danger. There was a cat. Cat was not feeling fear. Just only 1 or 2 feet distance was there. But she was not feeling fear. Why? Dog was with chain. Dog was with chain in his neck. He was tight that chain. So dog, she knows, that cat knows that this dog can't move any single inch. I have no fear. That is the power of knowledge. If knowledge is there, surely you will be free from fear. What is it? And the Amartya Sen, perhaps he was Nobel Prize winner from economist. He was Indian. He wrote in his somewhere in his book Amartya Sen that fearlessness is the greatest reward from India to all this planet. Fearlessness. When this fear will disappear, where anxiety, depression, phobia, all psychological, mental, emotional blockage, when this all will dissolve, when knowledge is there. Nobody can loot me. Nobody can do something wrong with me. Whatever I will get, I will get fruit of my own karmas. If you believe in this karmic bondage, karmic theory, then surely eternal peace and happiness is with that person. And that is the power of knowledge. That is the gift and reward of knowledge. Tatashi wrote, Kajjakoshalam. Any task, whatever task you will do, whatever work you do, wherever you are, any business, any job, anything is there, you will get mastery and perfection in that thing. So many works, so many classes are there. How to get mastery and perfection in this field, in that field. The person who is topmost position in your chosen field. Surely why? Because he is totally in full knowledge of that thing, that was that task. That's why that person is on that level, on that height. So if you want to get next level in your chosen field, surely you have to get the knowledge of that field. So that is the power of knowledge. You can accomplish any work. You can accomplishment of any work. Knowledge should be very, very essential. That's like best friend pillar. If knowledge is, if that is if suppose consider it's a point of view of spirituality, then if you samyak darshan, samyak jnani jiva are there, it means your right knowledge. If you right belief, surely you will get each and every karma. Surely, which karma? Punya karma. And the punya karma, sammadrishti ji, the person's right knowledge, right faith is getting some good deed. So his any work, it's not bonding to him, to her. His every work, his any work is the tool and the way and the path of salvation, the path of moksha. And she wrote, Nanine Jivanam Ramam. Ramam means Ramani, means beautiful. Nanina Jivanam Ramam. By help of knowledge, life becomes so beautiful, so charming, so graceful. That is the power of knowledge, the gift of knowledge. You want to get peace, health, harmony, rhythm, music, beauty in your life, not in one year, each and every area of your life. Surely you should try to get the knowledge. Before knowledge, you should try to understand what is the meaning of me. So many times, trillion times, from birth to death, you can listen from any person's mouth, from your mouth, me, I. What is meaning of I? What is meaning of me? When anybody will know what is the meaning of I and me, surely you can understand the God. Till when you're not knowing yourself, till when we're unknown from our own self, we can't know the God. And whenever we will know ourselves, recognition is the main thing. Recognition. Suppose any party, any function is there, so many persons are there, nobody is paying attention to you, then what you will do? Oh, nobody recognizes me. Nobody give me honor, respect, and love and response. Okay, maybe that's a form of ego, otherwise maybe that's a form of self-esteem. But I'm telling that same thing here. In a spiritual path, in the religious way, you should know, who am I? That is the basic question, who am I? If you don't know who am I, so you can't go. Even also materialistic achievements are there. Who am I? Your own identity. If you lose your identity, if you lose your pehchan, identity, then what will happen? Who am I? In Tattva Sutra Acharya, Uma Swami told, the person who is Mithadrashti, the person who has known right knowledge, he is like Sharabi, the person drinker. One time, suppose, consider, he is telling to his wife, he is telling to mother, but maybe at next moment, he will behave like wife with his mother. Otherwise, he will do the same behave with his sister. Because his memory collapses there. So firstly, identity will finish, you can't go ahead in your life. So like that, Acharya told, learn in Jivanam Ramam. Knowledge gives you beauty, fragrance, peace, rhythm, and grace. For the graceful life. That is the power of knowledge. And when you get this knowledge from the lotus feet of Muniraj, of Gurudev. So that is the way. And in last stanza of this Gatha, you know what is Gatha? Sanskrit Shlok. The stanza of Sanskrit, that is Shlok. In Prakrit, the same thing. In Prakrit language, that is Gatha. So Acharya wrote it here. Narayana Santavi Nimmala, Narayana Santi Nimmala, Narayana Santi Nimmala. Nimmala means Nirmal means the thing which are constraint, which are obstacle in any field of your life. That obstacle, that constraint, it will disappear by help of knowledge. Get the knowledge. Try to get the knowledge. Now I am in Suryanagar, Digambar Jan Mandir, district Ghaziabad, India is here. Tirthankara Bhagavanta is with me. Acharya Gurudev, Sulin Sagaj is with me. Holy Scripture, Janmani is with me. So how much power anybody can get by help of this feeling? And the person is feeling, I'm just alone. Nobody is with me. Nobody is cooperating, helping, supporting me. I'm just like island. Nobody is here to listen me. Nobody is understanding me. So think and imagine the depression and anxiety level of that person. Your knowledge gives you power. It's a way to strengthen your heart and soul. And without strengthening your heart and soul, you can't get any single penny, not a single rupee, not a single dollar in your life. Knowledge is not just for soul. Knowledge for everything. Two thing is there. One is dhoti dupatta. Otherwise we can say sari. Sari in English, sari. Sari. In Hindi sari, English sari. And the second thing is any pant or jeans is there. So pant and jeans are for a particular person, for a fixed, decided, the t-shirt, the jeans, for a decided person. The person will change, the size of that cloth will change. But sari, anybody, any lady who is fat or who is thin, who is tall or who is not tall, short height, anybody can wear it. Any lady can wear it. Anybody can enjoy. Any religious Shravika can use it. So sometimes some principle of society, some rules of our spiritual books is like pant and shirt.
इस कार्यक्रम के प्रसारण पुण्यार्जक हैं वृति श्राविका श्रीमती रत्नमाला जैन एवं उनके सुपुत्र श्रीमान आदर्श जैन की पुण्य स्मृति में श्रीमती रेखा जैन, निशांत जैन, रोहित जैन, सुरभि जैन, तुषार जैन, शिल्पी जैन, अर्णव जैन एवं आरव जैन।